Hello, people of YouTube. This is Melodic Vortex, and we're in another video with Volcano 007. Safety sec.
Hi, how are you?
We're going to be playing some more Survive the Natural Disasters in Roblox in this place that I've never seen before. Yay. Oh, I wonder if I can ride in this car.
I think they would allow you to.
I can't. Which is bad.
And I have drove one of these cars before.
Wait, you've seen this place before?
Yes. I can't drive.
Go away, person. There, I'm driving. I'm driving. But I cannot move it.
See, that guy over there is driving. Earthquake, uh-oh.
Earthquake? Yay. I'm just going to stay in my car. Get in my car.
I'm getting this car.
This person's trying to get into my car, but they can't, since I'm not letting them.
My seat fell out of my car.
Is your car broken?
Yes.
I know my car's broken. Its big crane thing fell off. No! I don't know. I'm gonna fall off the edge sometime. No, now I'm safe.
I have a bunch of people in my way. I'm fine. Right?
Okay. Jump. Jump.
I got sent a friend request. I think she knows I'm friends with you. That's why.
Oh, she sent me a friend request too, but I denied it because I don't accept anyone's
anymore.
anymore. Yeah, just because like they should not make the max limit 200 friends. I don't think 200.
Like 500.
I don't think 200 friends is enough. I met this guy one time named Scott, and I tried to become friends with him, but I didn't have enough, so I had to delete a friend. I wanted to become friends with him because I was playing some Shark Bite with him, and he drove my boat. He was an excellent driver.
He was pretty Gucci at what he was doing. Oh, darn, everyone survived.
What? Why? Oh, there, now I'm on the leaderboard. It's probably because I didn't play a game yet.
Probably.
I'm in third place.
You are?
Behind Fireman and...
Let's see here. Let's see here. I'm not
90 survivals.
I'm not on the leaderboard.
Wait, that guy just left. I'm in second. Ha. Huh.
Now you just need to wait for Fireman. Isn't God? Prison Panic. Isn't this the one we went to last video?
Where I got trapped in a jail cell with a tsunami.
Yeah, that was.
How did I take fall damage from falling off of this tiny shed? It's just.
It's a pretty big shed.
I'm gonna get trapped in a jail cell again. Do you wanna come with me?
Sure.
It's gonna
snow, so yes.
How do you know it's going to snow?
I'm guessing. Let's see here. Alright, I see no clouds.
There, I'm a prisoner again. Yay. In my jail cell that I cannot get out of.
I could get you out.
Yay.
I know how to get out of the jail cell. Uh-oh.
Tornado? What? No. Yes, I got out of my jail cell. That's because the tornado spawned down on my jail cell. Whoa, lag. Major lag. I know.
We got major lags out here. It's
no.
very, very dangerous.
We have a major destruction.
Everything froze. It looks lovely.
I don't think my phone can handle this much destruction. It's the Matrix right now. Okay, I have no idea if this happens in the Matrix. It just seems like something that would happen.
Like, boom, 20 bombs go blowing off
and everything's just floating in midair.
Yeah, and someone somehow survives still. The bad part is the tornado's coming even closer.
Oh, I forgot about the tornado.
Someone just got chucked by the tornado takes people's hair.
I know. Wait, did it take my head? It's totally not a mask.
Right, let me see here.
Wait, it's in first person. How is it in first person? I thought I couldn't go in first person.
You can go in first person. I think you can.
I couldn't go in first person at first.
You can go in first person.
I don't know. Oh no.
Melodic vortex, where are you? I can't.
don't know.
I found another person's random hair. I can't.
I think my head fell off. Not my mask, my head.
I'm drowning. I'm drowning in all the stuff.
Wait, where are you? Where are you?
I got 26 points.
Where are you?
I am up here.
Okay. Look at me. Did my hair fall off? I mean my head.
No. Yeah.
It did.
No,
Where are you?
Just don't.
Where are you?
Just don't look into third person.
Wait, let me see. What the heck is wrong with me? We're going to the same person.
No, this is a different one because they actually built. Because this one's not destroyed.
I guess that makes sense. I'm going to become a prisoner again. How am I walking with one leg?
It's majestic.
Everyone's getting their own jail. It's a sandstorm.
Sandstorm.
Sandstorm. Yes, the screen is getting like sandy.
Whatever. Oh no, yeah, it's a sandstorm. Good observation.
It just took a picture of me, and I just took a picture of me in my normal form, even though I look like this.
I gotta get out of my jail cell.
How am I supposed to? Is it because of this? How are we supposed to get out? My door is open. Maybe I just spawned in the wrong cell last time. You're in the evil cell, the one. You're in the cell.
People can open your door.
They can from the outside.
Yes.
Where are you? Oh, some of the floor fell down. Okay.
The stairs are showing off.
Where are you?
I'm staring at a douche.
Okay.
He won't let me out of my jail cell, but at the same time, this guy's making fun of me because I can't get out.
I need to find you so I can let you out. Oh no. What floor are you on?
The edge. I'm on the bottom floor of everyone trying to help me.
How are they trying to help?
See, there's a doge. There's a doge looking for me.
I'm on the top floor.
No, that's probably why. I'm on the bottom floor. Doge is showing me the way. He's trying to at least.
Oh no, lag. Sorry for all of you who don't like lag. Oh, did I tell you that Flame at 007 over here streams?
Oh yeah, some of that.
He plays
good
some
Fortnite.
Yeah.
He plays some of that Overwatch and during the summer he plays very often. Hopefully the description and stuff will be in below so you can watch him.
It probably won't.
You don't know how to do that stuff?
What?
You don't know how to do that stuff?
I never said I didn't know how to do it. What if I just don't want to do it?
That's rude.
What if I don't want to? You're not sponsoring me.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
You didn't ask.
You need to pay me money.
I'm not gonna pay money.
What? 416 survivals?
I can put it.
Prison Panic.
Here, if you put my description in below, I'll say your YouTube account every time, once a day for every time I see someone watching. I'll say, check out Melodic Vortex on YouTube. Play some of that good Roblox videos.
And other things.
And other things.
Other apps that I can find on my phone.
Yeah.
I'm in a prison cell.
Here, I think I'm in first person now. Alright.
I hope another tsunami happens. Blizzard? Oh no.
Come on.
Oh no.
I don't know how to do it.
Oh no, my wall's turning into snow. Oh no, I'm getting cold. Toilet! I've no toilet! Oh, he said to you. Toilet! No, oh no. The toilet is turning into snow. Slowly.
It's getting snow all over it.
Yes. Oh no. My screen is frozen. No! I think that part of the walls have been destroyed because snow is getting in.
I'm sorry for
Oh no. Since when was that snow? It's like a plague of walls. and other objects. Let's see something that will soon turn into the chat.
I'm going. You know I'm a very slow typer, right? Maybe that will help.
What?
Right.
Oh.
Follow some of that melodic vortex on YouTube.
Yeah,
man.
you should probably listen to that guy. Look at that. It's someone that I totally don't know.
Someone just broke into my jail cell.
My jail cell door fell down.
The Doge just saved my life.
My
He just
jail
opened the
cell
cell
door broke down because it was made out of snow. Oh, it ended? Did it end?
Hey, there's a lot of survivors. It sucks. I want to be one of the only. So why am I losing less and less points every time? See, it says point reward. I don't understand what that is for. I'm still not 416
I already
survivals.
told it. I know. I have 93.
It's not fair.
How many do you have?
That's it.
Are you even on the leaderboard? Prison Panic, what is wrong with the server?
We might just need to go to another one. What in the world does GGG mean, man? What in the world?
It means,
Got to go.
no, it means, Get Good Gaming. Totally not sponsored by them. Yeah, we're not sponsored by them.
No, not at all.
But if you want to,
Say,
they're a YouTube channel. Okay, I don't know.
That's probably maybe that's what you said. Alright, let me try it again. Oh, fire! Oh, snap! Oh,
Ooh,
snap!
fire!
Are you in your prison cell this time, bro?
It's in the kitchen. I'm a guard now. My awesome, ugly outfit.
All right. Wait. Oh, I thought they closed the gate so you couldn't get out for a second. I was like, wait, what?
They should do that. Oh, there's a fire.
Like vortex still in there.
Oh, it's in the main building.
Yo, it's the Doge guy. Yo, you're pretty. You're pretty
wait,
Gucci.
is that you down there? Yes, it is. I can see you from here. Whoa.
It's a lovely fire you got there. All right.
At least it's not on my. No, it's spreading over to my building.
Just to let you know, melodic vortex, it wasn't me. I was totally not cooking cheeseburgers and all that, and accidentally.
Were you cooking some cookies?
Yeah, I was cooking some of those things, and
yeah, you weren't cooking cheeseburgers. You were cooking cookies.
I was cooking both.
Whoa.
Yeah, that's how professional. Oh, I tried to.
Whoa! Look at this building.
Well, I tried to. That's basically how that.
Stop lagging.
I tried to. Let's just say that.
It's spreading, and the lag is spreading too.
Uh-oh. It's coming. It's coming from...
Jump! Oh, it's in my watchtower!
You're going to have to jump. You're going to have to jump.
No, I can survive this.
Oh, you somehow survived it. Hey, a lot of people died that round.
Not that many people.
50 points.
I got no points. Wait, I got 50 points. I
got 24 points, too.
I also got 12 points.
I feel fancy.
Stop lagging.
High class right here.
Why is it lagging so much?
Happy home. It's a miracle.
Yeah.
Stop it.
Happy home, blah, blah, blah. Let's go. I'm going to get...
You want to go on one of these?
That's where I'm going. Look at my awesome walk. I'm walking very epically.
You think you're a robot?
Ah, lag.
Come on. I think that's what they're called, right? Seesaws, right?
Yes, that is a seesaw.
Just make sure.
Lag. More lag. Lots of lag.
Cause you type.
Sneezes.
More.
That represents my life. Hey, look, it's lagging some more.
So, what does it stand for? If I stand in the middle of this, will I die?
Finally, it's unlagged. Boy! It lags again.
You can stand in the middle of the open anyway.
Oh, I just realized that you putting follow Melodic Vortex on YouTube, it showed up in other people that are playing on the server.
Yeah. That's the point.
I don't know. I thought it was just to get my viewers, which are people I know.
Yeah. I'm trying to get all these Roblox guys. And they're on. Oh, that's a bunch of flying objects.
And that's a lot of lag.
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, please subscribe because I lost a subscriber. Somehow. Now I only have 4. Now I only have 4 subscribers.
Good you.
And a lot of lag. Why is it lagging so much?
1 subscriber equals 1 less
yes,
lag.
Yes.
I just fell off.
Oh,
the
look
world.
at the.
I went flying.
Wait. People are so suicidal. Seriously, suicidal.
Yeah.
Did they know how to spell suicidal?
Suicidal. Some high quality suicidal.
Lag. My slide got blown away. I think. I'm pretty sure we're done, but I'm still on the island.
Are you sitting in?
No. It's just lagging.
Someone just screamed alien. I don't care about
Okay, I think this will be the last map.
Alright, I guess it should. Like, how long are we at?
We're at like 17 minutes.
Why is so many people saying scream? No, it's the same guy screaming alien over and over. In the
Wait,
chat.
there's a guy alien? Seriously?
Yes, they're coming. They're coming for us.
I'll go to this mini one. Lag.
Hello. Are you sure it's your phone? Are you sure it's not your phone?
It's your Wi-Fi.
It's not my Wi-Fi.
Yes, it is.
I have Wi-Fi and some high quality stuff, man. Nope, someone just fell.
Are you sure your Wi-Fi is good?
Yes. I can play my tablet. Some Gucci stuff right here.
Well, I think it's just Roblox.
Maybe. I mean, we could try another game.
No, we will keep playing this game. Oh, it's a volcano.
Someone just...
It's a volcano. Watch out.
Know?
Because there's a volcano over there.
Where? I don't see any...
Right there.
Any volcanoes anywhere. What you talking about? I don't see any volcanoes on my...
Well, it's invisible on your screen.
It's not because my tablet's garbage, alright? So it's all the way over on the other side of the map, I'm guessing.
Yes.
Where are you?
I'm down here on my water tower.
I might have to jump.
You will have to jump.
Oh, I see you. Hello. I'm up here. I'm up here with the
I'm
guy.
lagging down here.
I am not being able to see the volcano. And I just saw a brick almost hit me in the face.
So much lag.
Ooh.
I hope I don't die.
Goodbye.
Oh no,
world.
Oh no.
Ooh.
That almost hit me. Yes!
It's very interesting. Oh no.
If you don't like lag, please like this video so I can upgrade some stuff. I need to upgrade my equipment.
One like leaves to
yeah,
one less
at
lag.
least leave.
I just fell to my death.
Huh. 1 lag equals higher quality.
I had to get my expression over. That's a lovely volcano, isn't it?
I don't know. My screen. Yeah, it is. Okay. I guess I will end the video. Please like, subscribe, and watch for more content. Please subscribe. I have 4. Yeah. Yeah. Goodbye.